You're pouring weak coffee into that chip blue mug, laughing with accounting like they fade a drug. I'm trying to pinch pennies, packing cold pasta at my desk, but every time you walk past I overspend my breath. We all cut back on Fridays, skip the after hours thrill, but I'd sell my Saturday just to foot the bill. I don't wanna live in friend zone, waiting on a call that won't come through. Every plan I make seems to fall through. Soon as I get close to you, I could save all year for brave word, but I spend it all just saying, hey, I don't wanna live in friend zone. One desk in a dream away, stuck in that meeting under those buzzing lights. I'm scrolling fake deadlines just to watch you fight your eyes. You talk about cutbacks like it's all numbers on a page, but I'm cutting back excuses, running out of ways to wait. Everybody clocks out early, chasing any kind of thrill. I stay late on purpose just to foot the bill. I don't wanna live in friend zone, waiting on a call that won't come through. Every plan I make seems to fall through. Soon as I get close to you, I can save all year for a brave word, but I spend it all just saying, hey, I don't wanna live in friend zone. One desk in a dream away. Maybe I'll ask you an email slow. If this all falls through, would you still wanna go? Some cheap rooftop movie where they cut back on thrills. I'll pinch pennies for popcorn, you can foot the bill. I don't wanna